Summer break is here, and you are looking for some fun activities to unwind from a busy school year, right? But what if I told you that there are some great summer activities that can both keep you entertained and boost your academic performance? Today, we will talk about 7 such activities that can help you stay sharp over the summer. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Let's start with activity number 1, which is traveling to historical places and national landmarks. Traveling helps expand your cultural and historical knowledge and can ignite an interest in new fields of study that you never thought of before. Another summer activity that can benefit your brain is learning a new skill. It can be anything from playing a musical instrument, cooking, or learning a new language. It will help you develop new capabilities and improve your concentration and mental flexibility. Third on our list is staying active. You can participate in several sports activities such as football, swimming, cycling, or running, which improves not only your physical fitness, but reduces stress and helps you focus on your studies. The 4th summer activity that can help you academically is practicing mental math. When you are at the beach or doing any other kind of activity, don't hesitate to practice some quick math questions in your head. This simple exercise will improve your problem-solving skills and enhance your mental agility. 5th on our list is reading. Reading is an excellent way to keep your brain active and engaged during the summer. You can read books or articles about things that interest you, or you can choose a book that is related to your future studies. By reading, you can enhance not only your reading abilities but also gain knowledge on various subjects. 6th on our list is attending and participating in local events and festivals. They can offer a diverse cultural experience and opportunities to learn and connect with like-minded people. Last but not least, volunteering your time to any community services such as working at a soup kitchen, helping at a community center, cleaning up your neighborhood can help you develop social skills and emotional intelligence. So, there you have it. Try these out and find the one that resonates with you the most. Which activity are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Have fun, stay focused, until next time.